Hi, Tap4Talk.ae here. First, import your footage and then, add a new text layer on top of it, rename it. And then adjust its position, so it lies just beneath the eye. Then use the pen tool to draw a mask line. Then go to the timeline and expand text layer, then expand the path options under the text category. Change it to mask 1 from none. Now you can see that the text is placed on top of the mask line. Now adjust its position and make text adjustments as per your liking. And then pre-compose the text layer. Now add CC Scale Wipe effect. Select center and then place it at the center of the text. Change the direction to 180 degree. Then enable keyframe for the stretch function and leave it at 0 for the first frame and go to the last frame and then increase its value to stretch the text. Somewhere around 80 gives the best result. Now add the liquefy effect and adjust it according to your liking. Lastly, add deep glow effect, and then change the blending mode of the text to overlay. It will give a realistic texture and blends better with the background. Now you are done. Thank you for watching and make sure to like, share and subscribe to support me. Bye.